Well, hello everyone, this is Paul and this is Usher, and we're going to do a little walk because we've been hearing, off you go Ush, forward, a lot of, well, reporting and from one source really about how bad the public are when you're travelling on in and around London and different things like that. And I want to counter that argument really and say that actually the public by and large are very, very helpful. And before I even got a chance to record this, forward Ush, keep going, off you go Ush, good boy. I'd already been offered assistance off the train by the train manager, and then while I was trying to set up my camera I'd been offered help from 3 members of the public who saw me waiting around, and that's my position really. So as Usher guides, here he is, and here's what we're going through. I can't easily see what I'm doing, but we'll have a go. You do sometimes get problems. Let's stop here a sec, Ush. Just turning the speech off on my recorder. Let's go, because it'll annoy you all else. And I might have to do this video in several shots, but essentially Usher's led me now into the middle of this lot to try and get me round. There's lots of confusion, lots of people, all doing their own thing, of course. Usher's a confident doggy, as you can see. This is London Euston, by the way. And we're going to be heading to Orpington, which is going to include the underground. So we're coming up to, if anyone knows Euston, we're coming up to the underground now. And there's Usher. A bit more of Usher because I know you all like the doggies. Now Usher's escalator trained as well, as is the one on this camera footage we've been seeing in the likes of the Daily Mail. Right, so wait Usher, he's going to make him wait. On you come! That's it. And what I tend to do is look round just to kind of give people a sense of that we're here, because they do tend to, or can sometimes, come down and not be watching. But as you can see, people are standing back. I've given some room in front there so that Usher can run off. This is one of the smaller escalators, and I'm going to step down in front of him. He's looking and he's ready. He's put his harness down. Off we go, Ush. That's it. Good boy. Oh, okay. I'm breaking my travel a little bit because obviously we're stopping to pick up harness and camera and things like that. So now we're headed to the gate, and because I'll hesitate, someone will almost certainly ask me if I want some assistance. Let's just see what that looks like. Usher is keeping the shoreline here to the left because he wants to it's the easiest often the easiest way for him to get past what's happening elsewhere. There he is, so he's guiding me past these people here, hopefully. Guiding past something anyway. Just need to get, hang on Usher. Need to get my pass out. Wait a second Ush.
Do you want to go in that way?
Okay, come on Usher. Hello. Oh, I need to log in anyway, mate. Thank you. Cheers. Thank you. So that was the assistants back there. The man in the excuse me, man in the gate. Usher and I are going to do another escalator here. Let these people go on a few steps. On you come, Ush. That's it. And then as you can see, someone else coming behind, standing to the side to not challenge the notion of trying to get past Usher, which is good. A little bit closer I'd like to be to this person, but that's okay. So what we're going to do is as we get to the end here, try and get Usher running off. Off you go, Ush. Good boy. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Come on then. Let's go. Again. Whoops. More people. You know, and I really don't believe there's ill intent from most people. It's the polar opposite actually. So now we're going to steps. Now Usher's just going to find the steps here, and then we're going to go forward, and I'll tell him forward, Usher. So So he's just going forward on my command. He'll wait for the next set of stairs. We don't need this train. Forward Ush, that's it.
This is your service update for the control in Euston.
Steady, steady. That's it. So we'll leave this train. We won't get it. We'll let people run for it. Usher, keep in. Usher, keep in. So we get into Usher. Keep in. Keep in. Keep in. Wait. Well, I can only keep in to a degree because I can't see. Of course, he can. But people are coming the other way. Good boy, Usher. Good boy, Usher. And there goes out the train. So we'll just wait a few minutes for the next one. Now, you know, I can say to Usher, will I bother? Let's have a look. 1 minute's time. Now I can say to Usher, Usher, find a seat. Usher, find a seat. Usher, find a seat. Usher, Usher, find a seat. Can Usher find a seat? Where's the seat, Ush? Good. Good boy. Good boy. We're not going to use it, but sit there. Sit. Sit. We do this occasionally. And for that, he gets a treat. Good boy, because he found a seat. Good. Now, I don't do that very often. What will probably happen now is he'll look for the opportunity to get another treat. So it might mean that he's a bit keen to find me a seat this time around, but let's see what he does. So, come round. That's it. So, and Usher has to stand back from the platform edge too, so there you go, there he is, my beautiful boy. Are you happy? Here's his waggy tail. So now we're going to get on this train. No idea what it's going to look like in terms of people, but Usher will at the very least find the door, and he'll move forward very slowly once the train comes past me, because he is used to this. So come on, Ush. There you go, see? Moving forward. Okay, wait. And he's going to go over to the right, where there's a double door. There it is. We'll wait to see what happens. Up you get then, Ush. Up you get. Okay, mate. Good boy. There isn't a seat, so that's fine. We'll stand. There you go, Usher. Good boy. Are you sure? Are you sure? Thank you. Thank you very much. Come here, Ush. Sit. Bubba. Good. You've been a good boy. You've been a good boy. Yeah. There's my Bubba. Yeah, you good boy. I wish you could pause videos on this, but what we'll do is we'll pause it for now and I'll send another one in a minute.